Introduction. You have already learnt about the Internet in your previous classes. Internet is a telecommunication network that uses telephone lines, cables, satellites, and wireless connections to connect computers and other devices to the World Wide Web, WWW. All modern computers, mobile phones, some televisions, video game consoles, and other devices can also connect to the Internet. Internet services. The Internet provides many kinds of services to the user. These services can be categorized into 4 different types: communication services, information retrieval services, social networking, online services. Communication services. There are various communication services that provide exchange of information with individuals or groups. Some of these services are email, chat, instant messaging, video conferencing. Email. Email stands for electronic mail. An email is sent through the Internet to a recipient. An email address is essential to receive email. Every user has a unique email address. You can use Internet-based applications or programs on your computer to access and store emails. Advantages of using email. It is secure, low cost. Photos, documents, and other files can be attached to an email so that more information can be shared. One email can be sent to more than one recipient at a time. Features of email. Free and global delivery. Sending an email is virtually free except for the cost of the Internet service. Email can be sent to anyone, anywhere around the world. Speed. An email can be sent and received by many people at one go over the Internet. File attachment. An email can include one or more file attachments, allowing a person to send documents, pictures, or other files with an email. Eco-friendly. Sending an email is environment-friendly as it does not require paper, thus conserving paper resources. Chat. Chatting means talking to other people over the Internet. Usually, talking is the exchange of typed messages requiring one side as the repository for the messages or chat site and a group of users who take part from anywhere on the Internet. In some cases, a private chat can also be arranged between 2 people. Chats can be ongoing or scheduled for a particular time and duration. Instant messaging. An instant message IM is a real-time text-based communication similar to a chat. IM uses a shared software client among 2 or more people using personal computers, iPhones, or other devices. The communication is done over a network, often the Internet, and may include advanced modes with live voice or video. File transfers are also sometimes allowed but are limited in size. Video conferencing. Video conferencing is a technology that allows users in different locations to have face-to-face meetings without having to move to a single location together. This technology also saves the time, expense, and hassle associated with business travel. Uses for video conferencing include holding routine meetings, negotiating business deals, and interviewing job candidates. Advantages of video conferencing. No time limitations. Saves traveling time. Easy communication. Increased productivity. Disadvantages of video conferencing. Lack of personal interaction. Technical problems. International time zones. High cost of setup. Information retrieval services. Information retrieval services offer easy access to information present on the Internet. Some of them are e-learning, research, News. E-learning. A learning system based on formalized teaching with the help of electronic resources is known as e-learning. While teaching can be based in or out of the classroom, the use of computers and the internet forms a major component of e-learning. E-learning can also be termed as a network-enabled transfer of skills and knowledge, and the delivery of education is made to a large number of recipients at the same or different times. Earlier, it was not accepted as it was assumed that this system lacked the human element required in learning. Advantages of e-learning. Efficient way of delivering courses online. Convenient and flexible as resources are available from anywhere and at any time. Web-based learning promotes active and independent learning. Train yourself anytime and from anywhere. Interaction with everyone online through discussion boards and chats, which clarifies your doubts. Disadvantages of e-learning. Online assessments limited to questions that are only objective in nature. Authenticity of a particular student's work cannot be guaranteed as anyone can do a project rather on behalf of the student. Computer-based assessments generally have a tendency of being knowledge-based and not necessarily practicality-based. Social networking. Social networking allows exchange of information between applications on the web, such as Facebook and Twitter. Facebook. Facebook is a social networking service and website started in February 2004. It was founded by Mark Zuckerberg. Facebook is a social networking website where users can post comments, share photographs, and post links or other interesting content on the web, chat live, and watch video. Shared content can be made publicly accessible, or it can be shared only among a selected group of friends or family or with a single person. The real advantage of Facebook is that it's a real-time social networking site. This makes it one of the best sources to stay updated with the latest news and information. Twitter. Twitter is an American online news and social networking service on which users post and interact with messages known as tweets. Users use mobile phones or computers to send and read messages called tweets. They appear on the user's profile page. Tweets can usually be read by anyone, but senders can also keep messages private. Private tweets only go to their list of friends. You can create an account for free. It has a massive audience potential. Most of the famous people are now using Twitter to provide a message to their followers. And it is one of the best ways to stay connected with these personalities. Twitter is easy to use. Online services. Online services offer a way to access documents spread over the several servers on the internet. Some of them are e-shopping, e-ticketing, e-banking. E-shopping. E-shopping is a form of electronic commerce which allows consumers to directly buy goods or services from a seller over the internet using a web browser. Consumers find a product of interest by visiting the website of retailer directly or by searching among alternative vendors using a shopping search engine which displays the same product's availability and pricing at different e-retailers. Customers can shop online using a range of different computers and devices, including desktop computers, laptops, tablet computers, and smartphones. Advantages of e-shopping. Saves time and effort. Convenience of shopping from home. Availability of a wide variety or range of products. Discounts and lower prices. detailed information of the product, comparison of various models or brands. Disadvantages of e-shopping: delay in delivery, lack of touch and feel of merchandise in online shopping, lack of shopping experience, lack of interactivity in online shopping. E-ticketing. An e-ticket, electronic ticket, is a paperless electronic document used to book tickets online for railways, airlines, and even buses. The advantage of e-ticketing is that it reduces the booking expense by eliminating the need for printing and mailing paper documents. It also eliminates the possibility of critical documents getting lost in the mail or being sent to the wrong address. However, a computer crash could cause a passenger's reservation and other information to simply get cancelled. E-banking. E-banking, also known as internet banking or virtual banking, is an electronic payment system that enables the customers of a bank or other financial institutions to conduct a range of financial transactions through the financial institution's website. Using this, a client executes banking transactions via electronic means. Advantages of e-banking: convenience, low cost, ease of monitoring, ease of transaction, quality service, anytime cash facility. Disadvantages of e-banking: high startup cost, security issues, training and maintenance, network failure. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet. That is, the cloud to offer faster innovation and flexible resources. You pay only for the cloud services that you use, helping lower your operating costs. Advantages of cloud computing: easy implementation, readily manageable, accessibility, easy collaboration and sharing among users in multiple locations, no hardware requirement. Disadvantages of cloud computing: data security cannot be controlled while sharing information, no redundancy and backup, bandwidth issues.